In this video, we're going to look at recurring and terminating fractions. So skills required, previous knowledge would be product of prime factors. That's important. So just a quick reminder, product of prime factors. So you take a number and you write that number as a pair of factors. And if it's prime, you put a circle around them. And then at the end, there is the product of prime factors. So you need that skill. Okay, recurring and terminating fractions, and what's the difference? Okay, I'm going to type this into the calculator. Okay, so 17 over 40. Now when I press equals and press SD, my decimal comes up. My decimal is 0.425. And that terminates. Terminate means to stop. So it stops. It doesn't go on forever. That one there terminates. Now, if I was to type in 19 over 36, press SD, it's 0.52, put this recurring sign there, 0.527, which means the 7 goes on forever. And that is recurring. So terminate when it stops, recurring when it goes on forever. And what this video wants to do is explain a method to tell you if that fraction terminates or if it stops without doing some division. So what I'm going to look at is how we do this. Now what you do is you make sure that the fraction is simplified as far as possible. So this one is simplified. 17 is a prime number and 19 is also a prime number. Guess me the prime factors of the denominator. So 2 and 20, that's prime. 2 and 10 is prime. 2 and 5, and that's prime. Give me the factors of this is 2 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 3. Now the rule is, if the prime factors are 2 and 5 only, so either 2 or 5, if it's them only, then the fraction terminates. Any other factors, then the fraction occurs. Okay, so this one's got a 3, so it's got a different prime factor. That means it recurs. Okay, so let's look at these questions. This is simplified as far as it can. These are all terminating fractions. So I've got is only 2 and 5. So terminates, simplified as far as it can. 20 is 2 and 10, 2 and 5. So they all terminate. Be very careful, this one simplifies. So it's 9 over 25, and then check the bottom. 25 is 5 and 5, terminates. And this is simplified, and 25, of course, we've just checked. 25 terminates as well. Okay, so now look at these recurring fractions. I'm looking at the bottom 12. Now, really, all I need to do here is get my prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. And I just see if there's any factors other than 2 and 5. So if I leave 2 and 5 alone, does this have any other factors? 2 and 6, 2, and 3. And there I have a 3. 3 is key because of this. It recurs. I know fact 15. I know 3 goes into 15, so I could really just do it as simple as that. I know that that 3 goes into 15, and as a result, that one recurs as well. Okay, decide that the following fractions are recurring or terminate. Let's do 3 more examples. 17 is prime, so I can't do anything with this. 2 and 30. 2 and 15. Here we go with our 3 and our 5, and the 3 is telling me that this is recurring. Prime, so 2 and 18. I can see a 3 appearing now in a moment. I just put it in here. And that way, I stopped straight away. So this one is recording also. Now, just be careful. I purposely put this here. This one simplifies to a half. And obviously the prime factor there is just 2. So this one terminates. So you've got to just watch out for that. Okay, here are some questions. Have a go. Press pause and the answers will follow. There are your answers.